Welcome to Beautyistic, where today we're diving into a product that promises to help you achieve that flawless airbrushed look. We're talking about the KIKO Milano Full Coverage Concealer. It's a creamy, full coverage concealer designed to smooth over imperfections and leave your skin looking flawless with a matte finish. But does it live up to the hype? Let's break it down. First off, the KIKO Milano Full Coverage Concealer comes in a compact tube with a sleek design, making it easy to toss in your bag for touch-ups throughout the day. The color I'm reviewing today is 02 Natural, which is designed to blend seamlessly with a range of skin tones. Now, I don't know about you, but finding the right shade for my under-eye area and blemishes can be a bit of a struggle, so I was curious to see how this one would fare. When you squeeze out the product, it's a rich, creamy texture. The concealer is thick, yet it has a surprisingly lightweight feel when applied, which is a great bonus. It blends effortlessly into the skin, making it easy to work with, whether you're using a brush, sponge, or your fingers. I personally prefer using a sponge for a more natural finish, and it worked wonders with this one. I've been using this concealer for about a week now, and I wanted to test it out in various scenarios. From a busy workday to a dinner with friends, I applied it in the morning and went about my day. It performed well under my foundation, offering great coverage without caking up. What impressed me the most was its matte finish. It didn't settle into fine lines or dry patches, which can be a real issue for full coverage products. One thing I did notice was that it works best when set with a light dusting of powder. On its own, it can feel a little too dewy for those with oily skin. So, if you're like me and have combination skin, it's definitely something to keep in mind to avoid shine midday. As for the pros, this concealer does exactly what it promises. It covers blemishes, dark circles, and redness effortlessly. It has a long-lasting wear, so you won't have to worry about touch-ups every hour. Plus, the matte finish keeps everything in place without making your skin look flat or dry. However, the cons are minimal but worth mentioning. While the product blends beautifully, I did find that if I applied too much, it could become a little difficult to blend seamlessly, especially on dry patches. So you have to be careful with the amount you use, but that's a minor thing compared to how well it performs overall. In terms of value for money, KIKO Milano's full coverage concealer is priced very reasonably for the quality it delivers. A little goes a long way, so the tube will last quite a while. The fact that it covers blemishes and dark circles without being heavy or cakey makes it a steal at this price point. If you're comparing this to other full coverage concealers on the market, it holds its own. The coverage is comparable to more expensive brands, but the formula feels lighter and less prone to creasing. If you're someone who's spent a lot on high-end concealers, this is definitely one to try if you want something more affordable that delivers excellent results. When it comes to build quality and longevity, the concealer feels sturdy in the hand and the packaging is compact and durable. The product itself has a shelf life of about 12 months, which is standard for a cream-based product. It's safe to say this concealer will last you quite a while, making it a solid addition to your makeup collection. Now, I didn't have direct contact with KIKO Milano's customer support for this product, but based on their reputation, they are known for being responsive and helpful in case of any issues. If you're considering purchasing this online, rest assured they typically offer reliable service. As for alternatives, if you're on a tighter budget, there are a few drugstore brands that offer full coverage concealers, like Maybelline's Fit Me Concealer, which is similar in coverage and texture, though it may not have the same longevity. On the other hand, if you're looking for something more high-end, Tarte Shape Tape is a go-to, but it does come at a higher price point. To wrap it up, the KIKO Milano Full Coverage Concealer is a standout option for anyone looking for full coverage without the heavy feel. It's perfect for those with a busy lifestyle who need something that can withstand long days and keep your skin looking smooth and flawless. The shade selection is solid, and the matte finish is a game changer. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.